We know that blockchain applications are the future. No financial middleman pays more revenue. NFTs can create more loyal communities. More importantly, it returns data, value, and even identity back to its owners. For all the blockchain applications out there, converting their users is quite a challenge. User experience is often way too complex. Users are lost when creating a wallet, and seed phrases get forgotten. Nothing is purchased in the app, only on trading platforms. To solve this, you need way too many products. At Mirror World, we thought blockchain applications can be a lot smarter to build. That's why we created the all-in-one smart platform, where you can convert all your users with simple integrations. You can now easily support social authentication and give your users a brand new identity. Smart Platform also offers MPC wallets and Fiat on-ramp integrations. In-app marketplaces are now available within minutes. Mint, fetch, query, or scale your NFT operations with Smart Platform. Deploy, grow, and monetize your applications all in one. Smart Platform by Mirror World.